Very good evening to everyone. How is life going on? Welcome back to Edu Skills OET Made Easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and share this video to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. All these services at Edu Skills are free of cost, no payments of any sort. And you can find the links of the recordings in the description given below. Please share so that we reach out to those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Okay, keep smiling. Part B.
So sample 5, part B, text 2, question 2.
2. The guideline about breast pumps restricts their removal from the ward, provides operating instructions, indicates times of unavailability. Maternity ward guideline for 3.7. Electric breast pumps. All inpatient areas that care for infants of expressing or breastfeeding mothers have been allocated electric breast pumps. These should stay on their allocated ward except for when they are being cleaned. They are exclusively for use in the infants ward area and should not be given to parents to take to their own accommodation in addition to the ward-based pumps. There are expressing rooms containing electric breast pumps around the hospital. All the expressing rooms can be used by mothers of patients in any ward area as well as by mothers visiting outpatients. Breast pumps are now all tagged to enable pumps to be tracked and found quickly. A breast pump can be shared between mothers on a ward but should be wiped down by the mother after each use. Breast pumps are cleaned by the hospital sterilization and decontamination unit weekly.
Okay, hope you got the answer. The guideline about breast pumps, already we have seen in detail the structure of guideline. Any idea? What is the topic sentence? What are the heading words? Restricts the removal, then operating instructions. Then
Times of unavailability.
now here it says in the first part, all patient areas that care for infants of expressing or breastfeeding mothers have been allocated electric breast pumps. These should stay on their allocated ward. These should stay. This means breast pumps should stay on their allocated ward. Restrict their removal.
Yes.
This is a paraphrasing, right?
Yes, Father.
Restrict their removal from the ward. These should stay on their allocated ward, except for when they are being cleaned. Only when for the purpose of cleaning, you can change this side, take this side, remove this side or that side. Otherwise, it must stay. It should stay on their allocated area. You cannot remove. That's what I said. If you understand the topics and it's the main allocated area, you need not read the whole thing. Okay, there is no operating systems mentioned at all. How to operate, how to switch it on, how to switch it off. Nothing is mentioned. And about unavailability also they have mentioned. So it's clear, right?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father. Yes, Father.
If you have no distractions, set back.
Got it.